Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video. We are going to talk about with the description of the video say let's see Shenseea baby father react to our new song Spice. We are going to talk about other extra topics just to keep on updated, so subscribe. Anyways, guys, you know, so we jump right into the topic. Said speed, Zimmy. So recently, after Shenseea Japan new song, she get enough bash and thing, you know, we don't know where our baby father magically appear from, Zimmy. Yeah, so words from him must say, no joke, dancehall cancel, period. And guys, I don't know where him and her having at the past or whatever the case might be, a person or a person. So them would know if them lose them we are. Whatever the case might be, guys. But nothing below around our song said we me. Even Spice and our name would have get mixed up, and even right now it no looks so good on our end cause Spice still a rain said we. Foota Hype make sure said this, guys.
And every time Shenseea does something like this, it make Ding Dong look bad, it make Bishop look bad, it make Scrappy look bad, it make Black Boy look bad, it make Romeich look bad. But everybody know Romeich not care, cause him openly accept him thing. But you don't think about the other people in the camp. Cause when you promote that kind of lifestyle, you know, and Bishop signed to the company, and Black Boy signed to the company, and Scrappy signed to the company, and Ding Dong signed to the company, and my boy we build with him, Calfani signed to the company, and our next general we build with him. Who them I gonna tell say them are a freak? Who are gonna believe them? Cause them can't tell people, but who will believe them? Let's just face reality now. Make we just reason like real human being, like realistic Jamaican people. Like, who are you going to tell that you're not a part of this behavioral pattern that is unanimous around your company? I'm just saying. I'm just saying, like, you can't say it, but who are going to believe you? Who's going to believe you? Who are going to believe you? And they going to say, oh, I want here, man, no rare, I want here. Who are going to believe you? Nobody. You're going to have some hypocrite and say, I want here, ding, man, I want here. Foot of them chat too much, because suck him, mama. And you're going to have someone that say, Bishop, I want here. Foot of them are pussy, them boy, the bad mind. And you're going to say, Scrappy, I want here, 3 rice. Foot of them I get all, you know. Them pussy there, I want here, bad mind. Where is reality? Are the truth? Are the truth? So you can stay there. Follow idiot. We are look at granny and two side you. We are follow back at you. And then sometime when you're in a situation, you don't see say it a crumble till it crumble, you know. You don't see say it a crumble till it crumble. Shenseea's behavior, Shenseea's projection, Shenseea's content can poison Bishop career, poison Scrappy career, poison Black Boy career, and slowly poison Ding Dong career. Like it or not, it's the truth. I am just speaking the truth. What them say? Show me a company, I tell you who you are. Now that them say? Now that them say? Here's somebody. Yo, look for that comment there, people. I have to pin it. Look for that comment there. Watch out, watch out. Look for that comment. Then people, this makes sense? This makes sense? That comment there makes sense? Yo, people, look if that comment there makes sense. Yo, some people are idiot. Exactly. Ask him, grudge for what? Jamaican people are one of the most patriotic people. When we people them arise, we love them. Not grudge them, we love them. We love see we people them are achieve on the highest platform, but not like this. Not like this. Alright, me pin that comment there now. Let me pin that comment here. You see what that comment I say? People me don't want to think of me I say what me I say. See the comment here. Wonder what her kid gonna think. Shake my head. And he's an absolutely smart kid. And you know, have to show him the video. Him have tablet and him have phone and him know if you use computer. So see and next something there me pin. I know me say it, not me say it. These are the fans asking questions. So when me talk, everybody, like today, me see Popcorn comment, because somebody screenshot it and send me. Because I don't follow Shenseea, it's not because me hate her, I don't like some of the content she post. She like post them alphabet boy there in her jaws and I wind up themselves, I don't like that. See? So I don't follow her. Today, me see Popcorn comment, why? We do a dozen why, see? And then she comment back and I say, Popcorn to stop going like him not do it. So, me I wonder if she knows something where we don't know. Somebody say, why wanna bring the kid in night? Does she have a kid? Does Shenseea have a kid? Shenseea have a baby? Shenseea have a youth, right? Richly, Shenseea have a youth, right? Shenseea have a youth. So that's why people are asked where her son think. She posts her son. Her son is vividly a part of her life. And I give her props to that. I give her props to that for always try make time for her son. You know what I mean? I say I absolutely rate that. Because I know some woman in the music not pay them pit in her mind and not busy with them pit. You understand what I say? So I absolutely rate her for that. Zine, but people are going to ask where a kid think this is something that is. Why not act like girl are there with girl normal? Why not act so? Why not act like being alphabet is normal? What wrong with you know? What wrong with you know? People have to ask where son think this is a big old video. This is something where I'm going to see. This is something where I'm going to affect him whether you like it or not. Wanna talk, say? Wanna think this is going to sweep under the rug and him not going to know? Him not going to know. And him go school and him mother so huge and so powerful. Other people are going to know, say, fear son that. Ask him to. What you think? School are a savage place, you know? School are a savage place. All things that you're afraid to talk to your pitney about at school, them I talk to them about it, you know. Other pitney I talk to them about it. So you try know that. So if you are do things as an adult when in the public eye and not care what your pitney them think, me sorry for you. Because you can make the pitney life hard. that can make the kid life very hard in a school. School are a horrible place. School are a horrible, horrible, horrible place. If you never know. School are one of the worst places for your picnic. No joke. No joke. What do you mean me can't compare foreign kids with Jamaican kids? You see the level where Shenseea depend? You think it matter if she a Jamaica or foreign? Every pitney a Jamaica know Shenseea, you know? And the pitney them a foreign know Shenseea know too, you know? So you think when them see Rogeria and say, oh, Rogeria that, yeah, the Shensea's son. And them start talking to something them, you feel like them not gonna say what them a say? It no matter if a Jamaican foreign, she's that huge now. You understand? So, you have to carry yourself in a certain way. You have to project your product. Alright. It's like how me hear Assassin say, him not do no more gun song, and him not do no more war song and no bad man lyrics. And I have to commend him. I have to commend him. Come if you say it's a big move and it's a bold move. You think him just do that for himself? He might do that for the culture and he might do it for his family.